Hello, it's JeanetteJBeauty and welcome to my channel. I styled my hair in these jumbo twists as a protective style and I'm so happy that I did because a lot has occurred since I last filmed. I'll fill you in later, but these definitely came in handy as a lifesaver for the past 2 weeks. I just wanted to show you how my hair and scalp look after 2 weeks of having the style in. It was definitely fun while it lasted and I'll be doing more protective styles in the future. Right now, I'm going to focus on my scalp health and also my hair. So I'm just unraveling the twist. I'm taking the hair out. I did use a rubber band just to help secure the added hair in, and I just gently popped the rubber band and pulled my hair very gently. This video is sped up 1.5 times for the sake of time in this video, but I'm being very gentle with my hair despite how it looks. My hair felt like it needed a good cleaning with some moisture added, so I'm going to cater this wash day and make sure that my scalp health and hair health is going to be on point with moisture and also strengthening my hair. I've finally taken all the added hair out, and surprisingly my head, it doesn't feel any lighter. This hair was very light to work with, so I will definitely be making sure to use it again for a protective style. Not this exact hair, but I will be using the same quality of hair in the near future for protective style. I really want to focus on getting all the gunk in the front and also my scalp and hair out. There's a lot of edge control, a lot of gel all throughout my hair, and I just want to make sure that my scalp and hair is nice and clean and also moisturized, which brings me into my first product, which is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. Y'all know this is one of my staple products. I absolutely love it because it helps to detangle my hair. Also, it helps to add moisture. Now, because I've gone 2 weeks, if it was 1 week, I would have used the Mono's Hair, this curl and scalp clarifier, but because I've gone 2 weeks, I will use this one because I need more moisture than clarifying my hair. My shampoo is going to be used to help do that and get rid of all the gunk and buildup in my hair and on my scalp, but right now I need more moisture than a clarifier. I absolutely love this pre-shampoo because it detangles and conditions my hair so well. Anytime where I've noticed my hair is a little on the dry side for my preference, I will definitely use this because it has aloe and also coconut water. These are two very moisturizing ingredients that work very well for my hair and also my scalp health. Also, it helps to minimize breakage. Because I went a little over 2 weeks, I believe it was 2 weeks and like 3 days without washing my hair because I had this protective style in. Also, a lot has happened in my life. I will make a video coming very shortly to catch you up, but I just really want to make sure that now that I have the time to really focus and dedicate to my hair's health and also my scalp, never forget your scalp, I would highly recommend this pre-shampoo treatment. You could really see how well my curls clump together, and that is a quality I always look for. I want my curls to be very moisturized, juicy, clumping together, and overall very healthy. And I made sure to rub this pre-shampoo treatment on my edges, loosening up the buildup from edge control, also my gels, and everything else in between. I love the way that this treatment really clumps my curls and it moisturizes it very quickly and with ease. Now that I've applied the treatment to all 4 sections, here is all the shedded hair, and I used a full container. Jumping straight into the shower, I'm going to remove all the clips and rinse my hair with warm water, rinsing out the pre-shampoo treatment. And my hair feels so soft and my curls are juicy and clumped together, which is definitely a win for me. After I rinse the treatment out, here's how my hair looks. It feels so soft, moisturized, and I'm sure you can see those curls popping. I'm sectioning my hair back into quadrants. Doing this helps me manage my hair a whole lot better and more efficiently. I'm saturating my hair with more warm water. This is going to help for my shampoo to penetrate into my hair a lot better. And I'm using the Kinky Curly Come Clean Natural Moisturizing Shampoo. I absolutely love this. It's one of my favorite shampoos to date because I love the consistency, I love the lather. Also, it doesn't strip the moisture out of my hair. Yep, my hair and scalp feel very clean once I have rinsed the shampoo from it. And on the back, it reads, you know, all the grimy stuff you've put on your hair, here's your chance to come clean. Allow this exclusive blend of organic plant and fruit extracts to gently clean your hair and scalp of dulling buildup while maintaining its proper moisture balance. Perfect enough for everyday use. Now, I'm not gonna wash my hair or shampoo it every day, but I do love that it's very gentle but so efficient on my hair and scalp. Now when it comes to shampoo, I love to apply a generous amount on my scalp and work the shampoo down the length of my hair. I do this because A, it feels so good to me. I just love lather and just hearing that sound while I'm in the shower washing my hair. Also, I only shampoo my hair and scalp one time. Once is enough for me. It gets the job done. And also because I do leave the shampoo in my hair while I work on the other 3 sections, my hair and scalp are still being clean since I leave the shampoo on for a good amount of time. I'll say I massage my scalp and work the shampoo down the length of my hair about 2 to 3 minutes per quadrant. This time, because it had been 2 weeks, I'm spending at least 3 minutes shampooing my scalp, just rubbing, massaging my scalp, and working the shampoo down the length of my hair. I really want to make sure that I get the buildup off. You know, I just want a nice, clean, healthy environment on my scalp, because if your scalp is nice and healthy, you create a nice place for your hair to grow. And for me, that is what I want. And I'm making sure that my edges are nice and clean, free of all the buildup. And after I've applied the shampoo to all 4 sections and massaged my scalp, I'm going to remove all the clips and massage my scalp and work the shampoo down the length of my hair in one. And I'm rinsing the shampoo out with lukewarm water. I always like to make sure that I rinse the shampoo out thoroughly because I don't want to leave any remnants. This could cause scalp and hair irritation. And my hair still feels great after I rinse the shampoo out. That's another tip that I have for you. Make sure that your hair still feels good after you rinse all your products out. You don't only want it to feel good while it's in, but also after you rinse it out. That way you know that the product is good for your hair. Now onto conditioner. I'm using the As I Am Hydration Elevation Intense Conditioner. This has coconut, sugarcane, green tea, apple, lemon, vegetable glycerin, shea butter, and vitamin E. I already know that vegetable glycerin, shea butter, and vitamin E, also coconut, I can't forget coconut, work really well in my hair. The sugarcane, green tea, apple, and lemon are ingredients that I don't often use in my hair products, but I chose this one because it provides deep moisturization, strengthening, and repair to my hair. And all of these are qualities that I could definitely use in this wash day routine. On the back, it reads, give your hair the love and care it deserves. And you know, I'm always saying this because it's so true. You give your hair the TLC it needs and deserves and watch it flourish. Even though it says intensive conditioner, the directions read more for a deep conditioner, reading distribute throughout clean detangled hair after cleansing, and then you have it on for 15 to 30 minutes, wearing a plastic cap. Allow conditioner to penetrate under a warm hood dryer for the deepest treatment, and then rinse thoroughly. I find that this works better as a conditioner for my hair. I'm still getting those benefits like I mentioned for deep moisturization, strengthening, and repair to my hair, but I just feel overall as a deep conditioner it's not making the cut for me. So I like using this as a conditioner because I also get the benefits of the ingredients that they do include. As I Am is a great brand. I just use my product strategically. A few times I have used a deep conditioner as my conditioner and then I use a deep conditioner after, because even though it is moisturizing or hydrating or it gives me deep conditioner-ish traits, I feel as a deep conditioner on its own, it's not 100% the best, if you get what I'm saying. As I Am is a great brand and they have many products that I absolutely love. My curls are clumping together so nicely, so that means all the products that I'm using so far are working very well for my hair and it is happy. Had the products I use not work for my hair, it would have an adverse effect, like be dry, brittle, rough, really frizzy. The products would be skipping over my hair and not really penetrating, but it's the exact opposite, and this is why I love doing my wash day process this way, because I'm really nurturing my hair. I also like to comb the conditioner in my hair. This helps with the distribution, really making sure that the conditioner is worked in my hair very well. And then I like to smooth the conditioner in with my fingers, just feeling it, making sure that my hair is very soft and also my hair is taking to the conditioner very well. Then I like to twist my hair. This is gonna help lock that moisture in. It works so well. If you have not tried it, make sure you do, because you will thank me later. After I've applied the conditioner in all 4 sections, I'm going to rinse it out with some cool water, and then I'm going to apply my deep conditioner. I really love doing this because it almost serves as a double treatment to the hair, and this is how I'm really able to keep moisture a lot longer. Typically I do wash my hair every week, but I find that if I go a little bit beyond that, my hair is not super dry or crunchy or flaky. So for my deep conditioner, I'm going to be using the Pure Zero Biotin Strengthening Mask. I love this because it does help to strengthen my hair. It gets my curls popping, and even though I'm using some protein, I find that it does not make my hair dry, brittle, crunchy, any of those that I do not want in my hair. I have found that some proteins will cause my hair to react that way, so I just need to be vigilant on what ingredients I do use that contain protein. But you could see that my curls are clumping together really well. I'm not going to twist my hair because I've already done that. I'm not going to comb it either because my hair is detangled, and this deep conditioner just penetrates right into my hair strands so easily because the conditioner pretty much does that step for me. I've had a lot of questions being asked, why don't I just do a deep conditioner? Instead, I do conditioner and deep conditioner. It's like a prep. So I do shampoo my hair, and then right in, I want that moisture. Conditioner really allows me to get a good result when I'm combing and also detangling my hair. And then when I put the deep conditioner, it really helps to penetrate into my hair a lot better, giving me that ultimate treatment. Had I gone in with just deep conditioner after my shampoo, I feel that I'm not getting that same desired results. I have done that before, and it just doesn't feel as soft and moisturized if I don't do a conditioner and a deep conditioner. So that's why I do the steps that I do. And after the deep conditioner has been applied to all 4 sections, I'm going to gather all of my hair and put a plastic cap on. After I put the plastic cap on, I have been rubbing my hair, just making sure that the deep conditioner is fully worked in my hair. I do let the deep conditioner sit with the plastic cap on while I take my extended shower, and after, I'm ready to rinse it out with cold water. As cold as I could stand. This is going to help reduce frizz. So it's not going to eliminate frizz, but it's definitely going to help reduce frizz. Also, it's going to help lock that moisture in, and I definitely need it. It feels good to me. I know cold water isn't for everyone, but I just feel the results in my hair and I see my curls pop, and that's a good enough reason for me. After I've rinsed the deep conditioner out completely, I love how my hair and scalp look and also how they feel. I will be wrapping it up with a cotton t-shirt just to soak up the excess water, not moisture in my hair. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!